Welcome to our trigonometry series. Today, we are exploring Heron's formula. This is a powerful method used to calculate the area of a triangle when we know the lengths of all three sides, but we do not know the height. Typically, when we want to find the area of a triangle, we use the standard formula, 1/2 times base times height. This works perfectly when we have a right-angled triangle or when the height is explicitly given. But what happens if we only have the measurements of the outer edges and no information about the vertical height? That is where we get stuck. Enter Heron's formula. Named after Hero of Alexandria, this formula allows us to compute the area using only the lengths of sides A, B, and C. It completely eliminates the need to calculate the altitude or height of the triangle first, making it incredibly useful for land surveying and general geometry. The first step in using this method is to find a special value called the semiperimeter, denoted by the letter S as the name suggests. It is simply half of the perimeter. To find it, you add up lengths A, B, and C, and then divide the total by 2. Once we have the semiperimeter, S, we can use the master formula. The area equals the square root of S, multiplied by S minus A, multiplied by S minus B, multiplied by S minus C. It looks complex, but it is just a series of subtractions followed by multiplication. Let us make this concrete with an example. Imagine we have a triangle with side lengths of 3 meters, 4 meters, and 5 meters. We want to find the area of this shape. We will label our sides. A is 3, B is 4, and C is 5. First, we calculate the semiperimeter. S we add 3 plus 4 plus 5, which gives us a total perimeter of 12. We then divide 12 by 2. This gives us a semiperimeter of 6. Now we substitute our values into the formula. We replace S with 6 and subtract each side length from it. So we have 6 multiplied by 6 minus 3, multiplied by 6 minus 4, multiplied by 6 minus 5. Simplifying the brackets, we get 6 times 3 times 2 times 1. Multiplying those numbers together, 6 times 3 is 18, and 18 times 2 is 36. Finally, we take the square root of 36. The result is 6. So the area of our triangle is 6 square meters. To recap, finding the area with Heron's formula takes just 3 simple steps. First, identify your 3 side lengths. Second, calculate the semiperimeter by summing the sides and having the result. And third, plug those numbers into the square root formula to get your final area.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.